Introduction. Hey, connect to World Buddies. Today, let's explore the term heroic. It's not just about bravery. There's more to this word. Let's unravel the valor meaning. So, heroic describes actions or qualities that embody heroism. It's about displaying courage, strength, and noble attributes in the face of challenges or adversity. Usage. Imagine acknowledging someone for their heroic deeds, or recognizing the heroic qualities in everyday acts of kindness. Examples. Think of a heroic rescue mission or the heroic efforts of individuals during a crisis. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's rock heroic. A term that carries the spirit of valor, right? Different uses. Ever heard of heroic literature? It includes stories and epics that celebrate the deeds of legendary heroes. Conclusion. If the concept of heroic ignites your admiration, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more uplifting word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.